So, if you don't know my buddy Kyle right here somewhere, so wherever the hell it is, he basically did something cool today, and I'm gonna be showing you guys and taking you guys along. Let's go. Oh shit. Yo. So what are you about to do today?
Hot ball out.
Oh shit,
Ball
let me
on
see
myself.
that. Oh shit. Yeah, so Kyle did it. He bought a EG. Hey. Probably one of the cleanest EGs in Winnipeg right now. Not rusted out, but yeah. Woo. Damn. We're gonna deal with this tow truck guy right now. We're gonna get the EG inside, get it all sorted out, and then we'll give you a full walkthrough of what we actually bought. Oh, what Kyle bought actually, so yeah. CG over there. We picked up these wheels from my place. No Integra GSR blades. Gonna put it on the EG, and then we're gonna put the EG inside, yo. So yeah. How excited are you?
10.
10? No, I didn't even have to say 1 to 10. He already said 10. Well, where's my food? Just kidding, this is in the truck. Okay, let's go. Start moving this shit. Yeah, man, my Integra. Pretty sexy. So you want to get some interview on your Civic EG, bro? Okay. So, what car did you get?
A 93 SI. Civic.
EG hatch.
EG hatch.
Could have just said EG hatch.
EG hatch.
Okay. And then what kind of mods are on there?
It's just bone stock right now.
Oh, it's bone stock?
Yeah, bone stock.
Bone stock? See some red calipers, bro. I see exhaust in there, yo. What do you mean? I see an intake manifold type bar headers.
On the road, actually.
You wanna show people the D series that's in there?
Yeah, my D16.
Yeah, yeet.
Yeah, D series.
Oh yeah, D series my ass. This is a B18 C1, right? C1.
Yeah,
C1. So same motor that's in my Integra. This guy's gonna be fast now somehow. I mean, he was already faster than me. But yeah, he's gonna be now even faster because this shit's light. It's gonna gaff that. But that thing is not built for power. It's gonna be a stance boy. But yeah. Any comments, man?
Stay tuned.
Ooh, stay tuned. Okay, we're gonna push this up on his driveway, and we're gonna get started on it. So yeah. Not breaking however you feel like. It's hard. Bro, that was a struggle and a half. But we got it, boys.
Let's go.
Now we gotta get started working on it.
Let's go. Dude, my farts smell right now.